Hey everyone, Mike here with Protein Hacks, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some delicious Hawaiian Sweet Roll Sliders, perfect for a family dinner, a game day special, post-workout snack, pre-workout snack, and a great meal prep option. I'm ready if you are. Let's get in the kitchen and make us some protein hacks. So the first thing we're going to need is 2 pounds of ground beef, about a half cup of breadcrumbs. Any breadcrumbs will do. These are just plain. 1 egg, your seasoning of choice. I'm going to be trying teriyaki sauce on these. It's really up to you. But with the Hawaiian Sweet Rolls, I wanted to see how they came out. And your Hawaiian Sweet Rolls. These are going to be delicious, guys. And your toppings, whatever you're going to want for your sliders. I'm going to be making these with some mustard and some pickles. Lettuce will come on afterwards. We're also going to be seasoning the buns a little bit, and I'll show you that when we get to that step. Alright, it's time to pop these in the oven. Alright guys, we got our meat in the oven. Now we're going to let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, and while we do that, I'm going to prep some stuff to put inside these guys. I'm going to be throwing a little bit of cheese, some pickles, and some mustard in there. I'll put some lettuce in afterwards, and you can do whatever you like. You can throw tomatoes, onions, whatever you like in your normal cheeseburgers. Most of these are going to go into meal prep for me, so I'm not going to be dressing all of them up. Just the couple that I'm going to be eating tonight for dinner. So once these are ready, we'll move on to step number 2 and prep our Hawaiian rolls. Alright, I drained out a little bit of fat just to make sure this is nice and lean. First I'll be transferring this onto a cutting board so I don't ruin my pan. Now we're going to push these out of the way real quick. And we're going to be throwing these back in the oven on a different pan. Alright, we're going to pop these back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to check on them occasionally to make sure they're looking good. But basically you just want the cheese to get melted and you want your buns to be nice and toasted. Alright, I think they're ready. Oh yeah. These look awesome, guys. Our cheese is melted. Our Hawaiian rolls are toasted. Really happy with how these are looking. These things look incredible, guys. They turned out awesome. Amazing, man. I'm going to be comparing these with McDonald's cheeseburgers just because they're around the same calories. Let's see how much better and more nutritious our protein hack version is compared to McDonald's. Alright guys, it's time again for the macro breakdown. Today we're going to be comparing the sliders we just made with McDonald's cheeseburgers. Why? Because they're about the same calories. I want to see where we improved and it makes it a better meal than the McDonald's option. So let's jump right into it. Here's our protein hack recipe. You're going to see we have 310 calories, 15.4 grams of fat, 19.9 grams of carbs, 5.8 grams of sugar, and 23.7 grams of protein. For me, a full dinner with this, a meal, I'd eat 2 of them and we'd be looking at 46 grams to 47 grams of protein. Really happy with the results from that, guys. Now let's look at our comparison here, and we're gonna have the McDonald's regular cheeseburger from their regular menu. And we're looking at 300 calories, 10 calories less than our burger, 12 grams of fat, a little bit less as well, but I used a little bit more cheese than what McDonald's offers you, and we use Tillamook Jack cheese, which is gonna be a better option in my opinion. 33 grams of carbs, which is well above our 19.9. 7 grams of sugar, a little bit higher, but again, not really something I'm looking for in this recipe. And only 15 grams of protein. Personally, I've noticed that their patties have been shrinking throughout the years, and for me, I'd rather have more protein. So in my eyes, I see this as a victory. We have much less carbs and more protein with only 10 more calories. Great recipe here, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. Now let's wrap things up. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed the recipe. Like I said, I'm letting these sit down and cool off a little bit, and I'm going to put the rest away in the freezer. Make a great meal prep option. These are great quick burgers to make if you're going tailgating, or maybe you're going to go watch the game at a friend's house. Real quick, easy recipe, high protein, and really great option. Dinner or, lunch, snack, anything you're looking for. Appetizers, these are great, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you can be notified whenever we get a new protein hack released. Thanks again for checking out the video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next protein hacks.